Hello guys, and welcome to the latest episode of Lockdown Sneaker Showcase. Today we're here with the Yeezy 350 Zebras. I copped these on the 4th release, which was on the 21st of December 2019 for a retail price of £180, and these are currently reselling on StockX for around £240. The colourway is pretty simple. It consists of a zebra pattern upper with a red Supply 350 on the side, and the sole and midsole is a off-white colour with the boost at the bottom. I've worn these quite a bit, as you can see. Picked up a few stains here and there on the shoe, some on the left, but I love these and I hope to pick up a fresh pair on the 5th release, which is coming out later this year. So now that's done, let's get into the showcase.